Do you have a list of boxes you need checked when apartment hunting? Let me show you how many boxes are checked here. 50 Bridge Street, apartment 407. Do you start with location? This is in Dumbo, one of the most vibrant neighborhoods in the city. Location check. And people tend to fantasize about owning a loft when they move to Dumbo. Barrel vaulted ceilings, wide open space. Very cool property check. Think of how many people you can have over when we start having people over. Great for entertaining, check. Which leads me to enormous open kitchen, check. Great appliances, check. And of course, there's a dishwasher. Easy cleanup, check. And tons of space so you can chef up a meal while your friends hang out at the counter. I'm so sick of hanging out with just me. And the living room easily fits a sectional couch with additional seating for friends. Hi. Want to fit a king-size bed? Check. Room for side tables? Check, check. A window door that opens up to a Juliet balcony? Romantic, check. A view from the bedroom? Dreamy, check. And if you're anything like me, this is the ultimate check. Oh! The Carrie Bradshaw closet check. And I love the open floor plan of this loft, but this area could also easily convert to a real one-bedroom just by putting up a wall and a door, or sliding doors. Optionality check. Office nook. Work from home check. Renovated bathroom. Gorgeous check. Newly installed washer dryer. For many buyers, no in-unit laundry is a deal breaker. This is a resale value check. But the most important check is the overall value check. This stunning loft has very low monthlies. And wait until you check out the price. Check it out. Your boxes are checked.